If he gets that pen, it's a tie.
Yeah. You sure you're gonna win? Again?
Dave's gonna win. Dave's gonna win.
I don't know about that.
It's gonna be a tie.
What's she eating, Trevor?
Mess.
Looks like Trevor's eating pizza.
Ham and pineapple.
Yummy. I'm looking at the pizza.
Stop looking at pizza.
I am looking at the pizza. Mmm, yummy pizza. He wants me to take a video of his pizza. Yummy. Way to go, Kenny.
Two spares.
And the ultimate teddy bear that Mommy tried to throw out, but Kenny saw it on the curb. Wanted it back. Aww.
I'm so glad.
I don't know. What do you think?
Two spares. Two of the best spares there are in a row.
Wow.
I never played this one. You got it.
I'm doing good. Wait, I'm doing higher.
Who's winning? Whoa, it's tied. Whoa.
No, Kenny, you're winning. No, he got 7. He got 7. You got 2 9s and you got 9 and 7. 8. That's only gonna go together.
Straight spares.
I'm looking over there.
Don't tell me this is gonna be a tie game.
You think? We'll
I
see.
think.